some play. But something up here on the top side. There we go. It's a little loose. Let's try that again. So the thing might be stuck. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it out. Okay. Be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and open it.